G.SKILL Ripjaws S5 DDR5 memory modules with compact heat sinks. G.SKILL International Enterprise has announced Ripjaws S5 DDR5 modules for gaming and desktop enthusiasts. The products have a fairly compact design. The height is 33 mm. This makes the solution suitable for installation in computer cases with limited internal space. These in particular can be systems based on mini ITX motherboards. G.SKILL emphasis with Ripjaws S5 products use carefully selected memory chips that undergo extensive testing. This ensures reliability, stability, and high performance. Now the series includes modules with a capacity of 16 GB, which will be available in sets of 2 with a total volume of 32 GB. The frequency is 4800, 5200, 5600, and 6000 MHz. Customers will be able to access the heatsink options in matte black and matte white. New items will go on sale in November. There is no information on the estimated price yet. Here are the detailed features of G.SKILL Ripjaws S5 DDR5 memory modules. The Ripjaws S5 series is an all-new, low-profile, high-performance DDR5 kit built for the latest DDR5-enabled platforms from G.SKILL, the world's leading manufacturer of extreme performance memory and gaming peripherals. Each Ripjaws S5 is built with hand-selected high-performance memory ICs that have undergone rigorous G.SKILL performance testing to ensure the highest levels of performance, compatibility, and reliability. Ripjaws S5's design, which is available in matte black or matte white, is a fantastic match for any PC build for gamers, hobbyists, and modders searching for the perfect trinity of speed, capacity, and style. Experience exceptional performance. The G.SKILL Ripjaws S5 DDR5 memory family is created with high-quality hand-screened ICs optimized for high performance and verified for compatibility across a wide range of DDR5-enabled motherboards based on decades of experience in designing high-performance memory. Ripjaws S5 supports DDR5 6000 memory speeds at launch, making it an excellent choice for enjoying the high performance of next-generation DDR5 memory. Super speed in style. The new Ripjaws S5 series features a simplistic chromatic design inspired by traditional racing stripes and grills, and is available in matte black and matte white to complement a wide range of PC build themes. (33mm) low-profile design. The Ripjaws S5 RAM has a low-profile height of just 33mm, making it excellent for mini ITX designs or systems with massive CPU cooling. Unlocking higher capacity with DDR5 memory. DDR5 memory is designed to accommodate higher module capacity with capacities ranging from 16 GB to 128 GB per module. This frees up more capacity for demanding workloads like content creation, video editing, animation rendering, and scientific computing, allowing for smoother workflow. Availability and specifications. These high-speed memory specs will be available in November 2021 through G.SKILL's global distribution partners. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.